Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a quilted hot pad, like this one. You need is a sewing machine, 2 fabrics, some cotton batting, and some Insulbright. This is a pretty common size. It's a 7x7, so that's what we're going to be making today. I'm going to cut my pretty floral fabric in a 7x7 square. It does help if you have one of these measuring mats, but if you don't, then it's not a big deal. Here's my little 7x7 square. I'm going to do the same thing on the cotton batting and the Insulbright. Now I have these 3 pieces cut out in a 7x7 square. Now we're going to take our back fabric and you're literally just going to add 2 inches. So I'm going to do this one in a 9x9. You should have 4 pieces of fabric now, 1 9x9 and 3 7x7s. Okay, now we're going to layer all our fabrics on top of each other. So first your 9x9 fabric, and then you're going to take your 3 7x7 pieces with your fabric on top and put it directly in the middle. I'm just going to pin these real quick so that they don't move, and then we can start sewing. I'm going to be using this purple thread, which is kind of like in the flowers here, just so that my quilting really pops. To start out, I'm just going to be basically sewing a big X from corner to corner. So now we have our big X. I'm going to do some more quilting. You can stop here, but if you want to keep quilting, I'm just doing 4 more lines to make a diagonal quilt. Okay, so now I have my quilted pattern. It's definitely not perfect by any means, but it's quilted. Now I'm going to take this excess fabric on the back, and I'm going to fold it in half, iron it down, and then I'm going to fold it in half again so that we have edging. If you can't tell, I'm super lazy and don't want to go get my iron, so I'm just getting my flat iron. But it all works the same, so. You really have to do this 2 at a time. So I'm ironing this one right here, and then I'll iron this one down here, and then sew these. I'm gonna leave these completely undone right now. Now that I have these 2 sides ironed down, I'm just going to fold it over again, and you're basically sandwiching all the top fabric, and then sewing over it so you have a clean line. Now that I have the 2 sides pinned down, I'm just going to sew from end to end. I went ahead and did the exact same thing on the 2 other sides, and now we're going to sew these, and then we'll be done. So we're finally done, and here is our cute little quilted hot pad. Super easy, does not take long, and you can do this for literally any size hot pad you want. You can make a hot pad this big and just follow the same steps. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and can make yourself a cute little hot pad now.